Keep your furry friends warm and cozy during chilly nights with the best outdoor heating pad for cats. These pads provide essential warmth, comfort, and safety for outdoor kitties, especially during the colder months. Let's explore the top options. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. PETNF Outdoor Heating Pad for Cats. The PETNF Outdoor Heating Pad for Cats is an energy-efficient and thoughtfully designed solution for pet owners looking to provide warmth and comfort to their outdoor cats. Consuming just 50 watts of power, it's ideal for long-term use without significantly increasing your electricity bill. Safety is clearly a top priority in its design, featuring an anti-bite cord with a 4.92-foot steel-encased chew guard and fireproof materials that prevent the risk of spontaneous combustion. The pad maintains a consistent temperature between 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit and 107.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which is optimal for senior pets, pregnant cats, or those recovering from illness. The flannel cover enhances comfort while supporting the pad's heating efficiency. Its versatile 15.7-foot x 27.6 size makes it suitable for a wide range of pets, from cats and dogs to rabbits and even ferrets. It's IP67 waterproof rated, giving pet owners peace of mind even in case of accidental spills or pet messes. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this pad works great in garages, sheds, barns, or anywhere your pets seek refuge. One standout feature is its air valve, which inflates the mat for extra softness without needing tools. Storage is simple, just squeeze the air out. Cleaning is hassle-free too, thanks to a removable flannel cover that's machine washable and a pad that can be wiped down with a damp cloth. PETNF even includes a bonus plush cover for extra insulation and comfort, although it's important to note that the cover isn't waterproof. This pad strikes a solid balance between performance, safety, and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for pet owners who want to keep their outdoor companions warm and secure during colder months. Number 2. K&H Pet Products 20W Outdoor Heating Pad for Cats. The K&H Pet Products 20W Outdoor Heating Pad is a well-crafted option for those seeking reliable outdoor warmth for their cats. Built with orthopedic foam, this heated cat bed ensures comfort while maintaining safe energy use at just 20 watts. It automatically adjusts its temperature to match your pet's body heat when in use, ensuring that warmth is only applied when needed. This not only helps save energy, but also maintains a safe, consistent environment for your cat. One of its best features is the waterproof exterior, making it perfect for use in barns, garages, sheds, or other protected outdoor spaces. The bed includes a free soft fleece cover, which is both cozy and machine washable, allowing for easy upkeep. The 5.5-foot steel wrap cord offers chew-resistant durability, adding another layer of safety. K&H goes above and beyond by safety certifying the entire product, not just individual components, an assurance that sets it apart from many other brands. While the pad may not feel warm to your touch when your pet is not lying on it, it is designed to emit low heat that animals can sense, only fully activating once your pet settles in. This function is backed by detailed guidance from K&H on how to test and use the product correctly. Despite its high safety and comfort standards, the pad is not recommended for pets with heavy chewing habits. Designed and patented by K&H, a brand with over 25 years of experience, this product combines durability, comfort, and peace of mind. If you're looking for an energy-efficient, safe, and dependable heating pad for your outdoor cat, especially in sheltered areas, the K&H 20W pad is a strong contender worth considering. Number 3. K&H Pet Products 40W Outdoor Heating Pad for Cats. The K&H Pet Products 40W Outdoor Heating Pad is a durable and high-powered solution for outdoor cat care. Designed for use in sheds, barns, garages, or any protected space, this heated pet mat uses 40 watts of power to provide reliable warmth. Its rugged ABS plastic construction makes it tough enough to endure rough conditions and multiple pet types, including cats, small dogs, and rabbits. A standout feature is its thermostatically controlled heating mechanism, which activates warmth only when your pet is in contact with the pad. This not only helps prevent overheating, but also conserves energy. Measuring 12.5 inches by 18.5 inches, the pad is compact but large enough for most small pets to use comfortably. Like other K&H products, the entire pad, not just its components, is safety certified by Met Labs, exceeding both US and Canadian electrical standards. It includes a removable and washable fleece cover for added softness and hygiene, allowing for hassle-free cleaning. The 5.5-foot steel wrap cord provides peace of mind for pet owners concerned about chewing. One point to remember is that the pad may not feel warm when touched by hand if not in use, but pets can detect the low-level warmth. Once they lay on it, the temperature increases to a cozy level that matches their body heat. This intelligent design helps avoid unnecessary heating and makes it more energy efficient over long periods. Number 4. PetTemp Outdoor Heating Pad for Cats. The PetTemp Outdoor Heating Pad is a highly reliable heating solution designed specifically for outdoor cats and small pets. Made with a durable hard plastic shell and flame-retardant materials, it avoids the common problem of overheating caused by folds in the heating surface, ensuring safety and longevity. The pad has undergone rigorous safety testing and certifications from FCC, PSE, MET, CE, and UKCA laboratories, which gives pet owners confidence in its electrical and fire safety standards. Is well suited for direct placement on the ground or inside outdoor pet houses, providing stray or outdoor cats and dogs with a warm retreat during colder months. One of its most notable features is its timer and auto power-off system, which includes 5 timer options, always for H, 8H, 12H, and 24H, allowing owners to customize heating periods and conserve energy. Temperature control ranges from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, managed by upgraded thermostats to keep the heating even and consistent on both sides of the pad, thanks to a double-sided aluminum foil heating wire design. The anti-chew cord is another thoughtful feature. It uses a bite-proof protective sleeve reinforced by a steel cord junction that can withstand up to 40 kilograms of pull force, making it extremely durable against pets' chewing tendencies. Number 5. Toozey Outdoor Heating Pad for Cats. The Toozey Outdoor Heating Pad offers customizable warmth and advanced safety features tailored to outdoor cats' needs. With 6 temperature settings adjustable via an LED controller, ranging from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, pet owners can easily set the perfect heat level for their pet's comfort. The pad also features a timer function with auto shut-off options from 4 to 24 hours, which helps conserve energy and prevents overheating or burns caused by excessive heat exposure. Built with a 7-layer protective structure and UL-certified heating wire, this pad prioritizes pet safety, effectively shielding animals from burns and ensuring even heat distribution. The soft PVC waterproof and flame-retardant outer layer adds extra security, making the pad suitable for indoor use primarily, as stated by the manufacturer. Toozey includes a built-in intelligent temperature sensor that regulates the pad's heat, ensuring the temperature remains within a safe and comfortable range. The design includes dual-resistant cords to prevent chewing damage, making it a safer option for pets prone to gnawing on wires. Comfort is enhanced by an ultra-soft, machine-washable cover that can be easily removed for cleaning, while the inner heating pad is conveniently wiped with a damp cloth if needed. A key caution is to keep the heating pad flat and not folded during use to avoid damaging the internal heating wires. The manufacturer advises monitoring to ensure pets don't compress the pad into tight corners that could affect heat distribution. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.